Have you ever wondered how bamboo can transform the world? Stay tuned to uncover the incredible versatility of this plant. Bamboo isn't just for pandas, it's a powerhouse of potential. It grows fast, making it a sustainable resource worldwide. From clothing to construction, bamboo is incredibly versatile. It's strong, yet flexible, perfect for many industries. Bamboo forests capture more carbon than most trees. This helps combat climate change effectively. Plus, its roots prevent soil erosion naturally. Bamboo can even purify water and clean the air. Its shoots are edible and nutritious too. Harnessing bamboo could revolutionize industries. Like what you see. Subscribe for more.